Winona-Health is learning more about the spread of the coronavirus in the community through a new antibody testing.
The healthcare provider says it's conducted about 1,000 tests this week, and it's already found about 70 patients with antibodies. News 8 Now's Mel Meyer explains what that could mean for the area.
Sharon Reister doesn't think she had the virus.
But there's many asymptomatic people out there, and so that's what I'm interested in knowing, is maybe I have had it without any symptoms.
As a nurse, she's been especially curious. That's why she's getting 2 different tests. One to show if she's currently sick, and another to see if she's already been exposed to COVID-19.
I think for safety purposes, I'd like to know if I have that antibody and can prepare for what's to come yet to our clinic setting.
Winona-Health says businesses, long-term care facilities, and other community members have been asking for the testing.
Many people think that they potentially have had it, but they just don't know.
Since starting the test earlier this week, they've had about 100 patients per day coming in to get that answer.
We were not expecting that big of a number. However, we have adjusted our processes to accommodate that.
They're specifically looking for an IgG antibody, which typically shows up about 14 days after the initial infection as the disease is clearing.
There's a lot of research that's being done right now to determine how long do these antibodies remain in the system and to what degree do they confer resistance or immunity.
He warns for those who do test positive, it suggests that you may have some resistance in the future, but not guaranteed immunity.
Just like a flu shot causes you to get antibodies to the flu, it doesn't mean you're not going to get the flu.
The test results also give medical staff and leaders a picture of the prevalence of the spread, if we are nearing herd immunity or if there's already been a peak in cases.
If we don't see a lot of antibodies, it means that we have potential to get a big spike, so it allows us to plan and prepare a lot better.
Initial tests indicate the prevalence in the community is relatively low, which may mean there may be a surge in cases coming, but further testing could help them know more. In Winona, Mel Meyer, News 8 Now.
And anyone who wants to be tested for antibodies can go to the Winona Health Clinic from 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. They're also testing people from 8 a.m. until noon on Saturday.
They ask that you do wear a mask if you do come in. The cost will be billed to insurance, and Winona Health is still looking at what will be covered. Results will be released to patients within 3 days.